Hello everyone, this is Tapish Kaur. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to share my views on importance of setting goals. I'll start with one famous quote, which is written by one famous author. Like setting of goals is a first step of turning invisible into visible. Let me explain the definition of goal in a layman language. In a layman language, goals is a aim or a target which sits by an individual and which individual strives to achieve it. This is the definition of goals in a layman language. And I also believe the paramount importance of setting the goals, which is a first step to towards achieving the success. Today I am going to give you the 6 reasons why setting of goals is important. Like setting of goal is important. The first reason is it gives you focus approach. Let me be specific, specify it with one example. Like all of you had seen hummingbirds. Hummingbirds, you can see the fly of hummingbirds. They fly in a very erratic way and very chaotic way. But you see, when they see the prey, their approach is very much focused towards the prey, that they swoop on the prey like a hawk. So here, the setting of goals will give you the importance that how you can sweep your prey. This was the example. So it gives you the focus approach. Setting of goals will give you the focus approach. The second reason why setting of goals is important, like it gives you, setting of goals will give you the measure of your progress. Like once you set the goals, you should fix up the track, because goals are always time bound. Once you had a tracker, you can track where are you, what is the progress of goal, and whether you are going in the right direction. Because every time after setting a goal, periodic review will also come. So in periodic review, you also feel like, and there will be a certain tracker, there are certain measurable which helps you to find out whether you are in the right direction or not. Third, setting and goals will keep you motivated. Like you would have seen people working for 24 hours, people working for continuously, relentlessly, and they still be very much energetic, they feel very much active. It is because they had specific, they had already decided their goals. Their goals don't makes them feel tired. Their goals don't make them to be restless. So that is why if your goals is set, you always be motivated. And the fourth reason, once you set the goal, you will beat the procrastination. It's a common issue. It's a common issue with each one of us, procrastination. Like once you set the goals, you count a single minute of a day, you count your every single day, you count your every single second, you count your every single hour of a day. So once you keep on counting a single minute, for you the importance of single minute, single hour, and single day is so that you never fall into the procrastination. And the fifth reason, like setting and goals will help you to achieve more. Like uh, once you set the goals and you achieve that goals, so you had already tasted the success. And once you taste the success once in your life, you always want that repetition of that victory, repetition of success will happens again and again. So setting and goals will help you to achieve more and more. Setting and goals, the sixth reason is setting and goals will determine you what you want to be, what you want to achieve in your life. Because once you set the goals, and on the very first day, you are pretty sure where you want to achieve. It is already been decided. It is already been decided by you what you want to achieve, what type of lifestyle you want to have, what level of income would you like to have, what level of house would you like to have. So setting and goals will help you in determining what you want to achieve in the life. These are the 6 reasons according to me. So by this I would like to end up my presentation, and see that all the 6 reasons will carries a lot of value, a lot of meaning in your life. Thank you.